forehead. Turn the rap music off and step away from the stereo. Put the rap album down. Leave MC Hammer alone. Turn it off.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. Ask any politician and they tell you it's true. It's a fact, music makes you violent. Like Michael Jackson telling little Timmy to be silent. You don't believe me? Here's my hype. Offer me the record and I'll show you the type of criminal this rap shit is breathing. It's a fact that MC Hammer left me bleeding. Vanilla Ice made my mother say fuck. If I stuck with UB40 then I would have been in luck, but I didn't. I got it wrong. Cypress fucking Hill told me to make a fucking bomb, but I stacked it. I bought another tape. The power by snap made my cock and balls ache. So remember kids, to the head double tap. Guns don't kill people, it's just rap.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. Guns don't kill people, rappers do.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. I seen it in a documentary on BBC 2. Shot to death outside hypervalue. Guns blazing like Michael Caine in Zulu. Government statistics are sometimes misleading. The type of criminal rap is breathing. Shot in the chest, no wonder you stop it breathing. Too far the bass over are you receiving? Remember rap tracks in 87. Scott LaRock's up in hip-hop heaven. Biggie and Tupac at R.I.P. Even Jam Master J's in the cemetery.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. Guns don't kill people, rappers do.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. I'm a fucking rapper and I might kill you. As a rapper I'm teaching you a lesson. AK-47 to Smith & Wesson. Just say no, just like Zambo. Bulletproof vest to guns and ammo. Hip-hop gangster tripping. Even Eminem's into pistol whipping. It's like Cluedo, Murder One. P. Diddy, J-Lo in a nightclub with a gun. It's Snoop Dogg now wants to bust a cap. Guns don't kill people, it's just crap.
1, 2, yo, face my shoe. My name's Mike Balls and I'm coming through. Gun crime, stabbing and burglarization is on the rise all across the nation. The safety's off and the pistol's aimed. The addies and the mafia always get blamed. Politicians ashamed and they haven't got a clue. Rap is more deadly than fucking kung fu.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. Guns don't kill people, rappers do.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. From Bristol Zoo to B&Q. I wanna rap, I wanna rhyme. Heard it in a song, now I'm into gun crime. It's a sign of the times, like Prince changing his name. Gotta have a shooter to be in the rap game. Like Michael Ryan about to snap. Guns don't kill people, it's just rap.
Guns don't kill people, rappers do. Guns don't kill people, rappers do.
Guns, rappers,
Rappers,
guns, rappers, guns.
I love you, Mum. I love you, Dad.